All right, what up, guys? We're back. It is. I know last video I said it was September, but it's actually October 15th. So I stand corrected. So if you clicked on this video, which I know you did, if you're hearing this, we're gonna get into some trading psychology, and I know you guys probably hear it a lot, or maybe you don't hear it a lot, especially if you're brand new to the game. Um, Mindset is everything with everything you do, as far as everything from working out to what you're eating to how you feel about yourself, the way you wake up in the day, throughout the day. So we're gonna go over a few things. Trading psychology is often one of the last things on our minds, but it's arguably the most important, critical component of a successful trading career. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, honestly, I don't know any seasoned pros. I know most of the people that I've started trading with been around in the game for about 5 to 7 years. So I wouldn't consider us, like, I guess, seasoned pros, but we're pretty decent. So understanding your own psychology, how it often affects your decision, is essential. You got to know yourself. You know what I'm saying? That's the biggest thing. You got to know yourself. Because if you don't, you're going to get chewed up in this game. So fear is the most important, is the most significant psychological barrier that traders face. Once you jump in the trade, you like, oh man, I know my setup, but I'm scared it might go here. And you start over analyzing everything, or I don't even know if that's a word, but oh well. You start overthinking things, and it can cause you to hesitate, like I just said, and make impulsive decisions, or even freeze up entirely, not even taking the trade. When we're in a fearful state of mind, we're more likely to make mistakes, and those mistakes can be costly. All right, so just remember that. And greed is the biggest thing. I'm gonna tell you that if you're hurting for money, or if you're getting money and you like, man, I need more, I need more. All right, that's another psychological barrier trap that can lead to poor decision making. And when you're in a greedy state, we're more likely to take excessive trades, over leverage, and ignore warning signs. It can call, and of course, overconfidence is another common pitfall. When we're in a winning streak, on a winning streak, it's easy to get complacent and start taking unnecessary risks when we're quickly to lead, and can lead to a string of losses. Especially, I've been there. We've been in the where I went in 6, 7 trades in a row. I'm like, man, I can't lose. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna up my risk now, and then that be the one that wipe out all my profits for the month. All right, overconfidence. That's when I was intraday in swing, intraday in scalping. And we'll get into more of the way I trade later on in the video. Overconfidence can lead to a lack of discipline, causing you to deviate from your trading plan and your strategy. I'm gonna tell you, man, overconfidence can kill your discipline. So stay disciplined, guys. Whenever you start to think about the above rules, are more likely to when we start to think we're above the rules, we're more likely to make reckless decisions that can devastate our accounts. All right, to overcome these psychological challenges, it is essential to develop a strategy that can help us manage our emotions and stay focused. One technique is to maintain trading journal. Always maintain a trading journal. All right, we can track our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Now I'm gonna say it again. One technique to help you maintain a trading is to make a trading journal. You can track your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions. This helps you identify the patterns and bias that may be holding you back. All right, another strategy is to develop a pre-trade routine. Whether you swing trading, day trading, or intraday trading, or scalping. All right, pre-trade routine, it can help you get into a calm state of mind. This can include meditation, deep breathing, or simply taking a few minutes to visualize your goals before you get onto the chart. By doing so, can help you reduce emotional reactivity and make more rational decisions. All right, those are some big things. And visualization is the most powerful tool for managing your emotions and staying focused. All right, by visualizing ourselves can make by visualizing ourselves making successful trades, can overcome challenges. We can build confidence and develop more powerful mindset. Now, here's the thing with that. You can visualize a lot, and that's a very good thing. But the biggest thing is you got to have a profitable trading strategy and have to have back tested and have the knowledge and the analytics to back that overconfidence. That's like you saying, oh yeah, I'm gonna win this race, but if you didn't do anything to prepare to win that race, you can visualize all you want to, you're still gonna lose because you didn't do anything to prepare to put yourself in that position. So remember that. Hey, one key insight that's really important is to understand that our mindset plays a huge role in our trading success. If we're stuck in a negative or fearful mindset, we're more likely to attract negative outcomes. And on the other hand, if we have cultivated a positive and confident mindset, we're more likely to attract success. That's with anything in life. Be positive. Don't talk down on yourself. Just believe and trust me, if you lose a trade, it's not the end of the world. All right. Stay focused and have a positive mindset. And in trading, our mindset is everything. It's what separates the winners from the losers. So it's essential to take the time to work on your mindset to cultivate a positive, focused attitude that will help you achieve your goals. All right, let's jump into the chart. That was my 6-minute rant. I didn't do a 10-minute rant today. I did a 6-minute rant. All right, let's add this to the stage. All right. In this video, I will break down pretty simple my trading strategy. And let's go to the text marker. Where's my text marker? All right. All right, so let's go. Let's break all this down from square one. From square one. All right. Remove all my indicators. All right. This is what we're going to do. Number one, we're going to type in SMA one time, then type in ATR once. All right. Looks kind of crazy, I know. All right. And let's get the events off of here. Let's get the events off here for right now. All right. What we're going to do is go to SMA, the top corner, right? Go to the option wheel. Get rid of all the, you want these three. All right. We're going to make the top two blue, or the top one blue, the middle one red, and the other one blue. All right. We're going to go to inputs. Wait a minute. And hold on. Why is it not doing this? Did I hit the wrong one? Oh, might hit the wrong one. Sorry, guys. SMA by Stocks and Box. That's the one we want. Uncheck this one. Stocks and Box. There we go. All right. So blue, blue, red, red, blue, blue. All right. That's how you want it. Red, red, just for the sake of this. You can later on you can make it any color you want to, right? Later on you can make it any color you want to. The rest of these boxes, unchecked. All right, default, all that stay the same. All right, you want to go to SMA 1, you know, make it thickness or whatever the case may be. Let's make all of them on the third thickness. All right, we're going very Barney style today. Very Barney style today. All right. We're going to go to inputs. Make the first three SMAs 20. All right, 20. All right, for the first one, you're going to put high. Second one, you're going to keep close. Third one, you're going to do low. All right, and then you're going to click boom. All right, the second one, ATR. You're going to come down to the bottom and hit 5. I just do this just because SMA and then thickness. All right. So this is what we're going to do. So this is the SMA, the 20 period SMA. You have the high, the low, and the close, right? That's what we're looking at. But what we're doing is we're going to take the strategy off the close price. All right. So for this example, we're looking for a sell trade. All right, only for a sell trade. Look at overall trend. All right, you want them to be matching. The more time frames to match, the better. So if the daily, if the monthly, if you trade the daily time frame, if the monthly is bearish, weekly is bearish, daily is bearish, you have now you got to just look for the setup. Okay. All right, look for overall trend. Since we're doing the daily, weekly, and daily. All right. Then, of course, I look for support and resistance. All right, I'll just put key levels. All right, key levels. All right, and then 3 for sell, look for 2 candle highs, break of SMA. No wicks touching SMA. Pretty plain and simple. Pretty plain and simple. All right, let me make this bigger. Make sure, and if you're in my Telegram group or my Discord group, you already know I preach this every single time. All right, let me. All right, sell trade. And it's reversed for, all right, so as you can see, and let's replay this. One. That's my first candle high. So when I say high, I mean, so if you have higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, all that good stuff. But on my sell signals, this is the high because it's closer to the SMA. So if you go down lower, this will be that'll be, if you go down lower, I was pointing at the thing, my bad. You go down lower, this is the high on the buy signal. This is the low because this is high. You get what I'm saying? All right, now let's go to the next one. All right, boom. So I do one-to-ones. The reason why I do one-to-ones on this is because simple fact is I trade more than one pair. So one-to-ones actually play out in my probability. All right, so if you look at the ATR, if you swing it on the ATR says 72. All right, we will place a trade here for 72 pips. 72 pips. All right, pretty plain and simple, man. Trading does not have to be that hard. That's where in your psychology, you have to look, okay, I'm coming to the chart, daily time frame. I'm in my right mind. I meditated. I did what I had to do all day. Now I'm coming at the chart at the close of the daily candle, looking for the setups. All right. And if you look, all right, let's place the trade. Boom. And for the sake of this, we just using a standard lot. We're not trying to go into doing the whole thing just because we back testing. Look at that. And one day, you know what I'm saying, already hit TP. All right, get what I'm saying? And of course, it continued on. All right, now make sure y'all screenshot this or snapshot this, whatever you're going to do. All right, let's go to the next chart. As you can see, buy signal. All right, 2 candle lows, 2 candle high, 2 candle lows. 1, 2, ATR said 57, you in there in the money. All right, now this one, I made a mistake on this one. I was lucky. I was definitely lucky on this one. 1, 2, I shouldn't have took this trade at all. But just so happens, it closed out green. I think there might have been the glitch that day, or I wasn't paying attention like I should have been, like I'm telling you guys to do. And I jumped in the trade. Good thing it played out in my favor. All right. Next chart. All right, look. 2 candle lows. 1, 2. ATR said 55. Boom, got in. Took about 5-6 days to close out. All right, look at there. 1, nothing touching. 2, boom, jumped in. 67 pips. ATR said 67 pips. You got your pips. All right. 1, 2. 1, 2. See that? All right, let me show you 1, 2. Now let me show you the next trade. This next 2 trades. All right, look at that. Lows 1, 2, and 67. No, it wasn't 67. 30. What? 67. Why is it saying 35? All right, still going. All right. Now check this out. This is the reason why if you don't check the trend on the upper time frame, this will happen. Now, I'm not saying that you will be 100% win rate. That's not what I'm saying, but I'm saying you can negate some of these trades if you actually check the upper trend, the upper time, the move, the direction of the upper time frames. All right, this is a loss for the month. All right, here's another loss. Well, I wouldn't say it's a loss. I would say currently I'm gonna just put this back in progress. All right, all right, because here's the reason why. The higher time frames, if you just look on the let me see. Why is this not doing this? All right, my bad. CAD JPY. All right, if you look buy, neutral, neutral. All right. All right, put that back over here. All right. So I'm not going to even mess with the trade. Even if it goes to take profit, I'm done with the trade. I'm not messing with it. All right, in progress. All right, we still have this. If this comes back and touches this, we'll be out in this one. AUD, USD looks pretty good so far. All right, all trends are matching. You get what I'm saying? So with that being said, if you look over here, you have on my pair list, my opens list. You look at all my pairs. I look at 45 pairs. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. All right. And this is my watch list. All right. If we're looking, my watch list, all this time frame is bearish. All three time frames are bearish. So now I'm looking for a 2-candle low. All right. I mean, I'm saying a 2-candle high. I'm looking for a 2-candle high. So I'm looking for this next one. If you see right here, boom, it broke. Now I need one more candle. So typically I would look for on today's Tuesday, Wednesday. I would look for around Thursday. So tomorrow's candles Wednesday. So I would look Wednesday night for the candle. And then I would jump in if I like that setup. If everything is still bearish, I will look at the ATR and I will place the trade accordingly. All right, same thing with this one. All right, this is a resistance level. All right, but if you look right here, if we get another one right here, we might enter that trade if everything's still going right. All right, GBP, USD. All right, so if this closes out, this won't be the one. We need 2 more candles to go in our direction, which we might get more than likely. So if you see, this is a pullback right here. So we could potentially take this trade right now. You know what I'm saying? But we're going to stick to our strategy. All right. Hopefully this made sense to you guys. Hopefully this made sense to you guys. All right. We're not gonna sit here and rant the rest of the day. All right. So in conclusion, trading psychology is a critical component for a successful trading career. By understanding our philosophy and developing strategy to manage our emotions, we can improvise our decision-making process and achieve our goals. If you're brand new to this game or to this trading thing, I would specifically say stick to the daily time frame till you get profitable. Find a profitable strategy, even if it's mine or someone else's. I'm gonna tell you, in my 6-7 year experience of trading, I noticed that trading, most strategies are profitable or have a better win rate or profitability rate on the higher time frames, because you have to have more patience and price action is more deliberate, I would say, on the higher time frames. But if you're just starting off, don't go to the 5-minute time frame. Don't go to the daily time, to the 30-minute time frame. Stick to the daily time frame until you get profitable. Then you move down. All right. Hopefully this helped you guys out a lot. I do a live stream I'll put that out. But also, if you like what you heard, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you like to see more content on the daily time frame and swing trading, and hit the bell for notifications every time we have a video. So thanks for watching. I'd like to hear your thoughts on trading psychology. A lot of people don't talk about it. All you see is everybody, oh, I won this, I flipped this to that. All right, I've taken $100 to 2,000 or 2 million. That's all you hear. All right, but it all starts here in your own mind. All right, and if you're interested in learning more about trading psychology, be sure to check out my other videos that I have. And mostly, I'm not going to sugarcoat it with you. I did 24 years in the military. I'm not going to sit here and sugarcoat it with you. If you keep discipline and have patience, a lot more things will come to you. All right. If you just sit back and like, you know what? I'm going to make a 2-year plan. I'm going to make a 4-year plan. I'm going to make a yearly goal. All right. Your yearly goal is to be better than you were today in this trading journey. You get what I'm saying? So other than that, you guys have a blessed week. And remember, all gas, no brakes. Be patient and constantly work on your goals.